Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today is our second video on the Blue Ridge Parkway. We begin at mile 6 at the Humpback Rocks Visitor Center and head south. On this section of road, the parkway is roughly the dividing line between Nelson County and Rockbridge County, Virginia. On the left is the Humpback Rocks parking area. Nearby are the 795 acres of Humpback Rocks recreation area. To the left is the Humpback Rocks picnic area where you can find the Catoctin Loop Trail, a 3/10 of a mile hiking trail. On the right is the Greenstone Overlook at an elevation of 3,000 feet above sea level. This overlook is placed on an outcrop of Catoctin greenstone, a rock formed from a geologically ancient lava flow that inundated vast areas in Maryland and northern Virginia. It is the most prevalent rock type over the first 19 miles of the parkway. The rock type is recognizable by its deep sea color. On the left of the view from the overlook is Big Levels, part of a 30,000-acre Big Levels game refuge. Below to the right is the village of Stewart's Draft, home of conservationist Justice Klein. A short self-guiding trail loops from the overlook and extends through much forest and plant life. On the left is the Dripping Rock parking area. Here, a path from the overlook joins the Appalachian Trail. At least a dozen types of ferns are found in the roadside bay to the right of the parking area. To the right is the Rock Point Overlook. Chestnut oaks surround the overlook, which provides a deep view across Back Creek Valley and onto Torrey Ridge. Catoctin greenstone is prevalent here also. On the right is the Roost Overlook, which offers views of Torrey Ridge and the Shenandoah Valley to the west. To the left, a path heads from the overlook to a broad rock ledge which is a typical raven's roost. Ravens and buzzards are frequently seen from this point. At the base of the ridge are the ruins of the old Torrey iron furnace, significant until after the 1880s. To the left is the Hickory Spring parking area. Pignut and shagbark species of hickory can be seen by the spring near the small parking area. Leaves turn bright yellow in autumn. Across the road is a view of Torrey Ridge. On the left is Three Ridges Overlook. Named by people looking from the opposite direction, Three Ridges does not resemble its name. Although the mountain is hidden from view by trees, this overlook affords visitors comfortable shade. Over the last few miles, we've descended over 500 feet and we passed through Reid's Gap at an elevation of 2,637 feet. We passed through Love Gap, named for the nearby community of Love, Virginia. We conclude today's video at mile 16 at the junction of State Highway 814. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.